Do you feel stuck with English? You understand words when you read or listen, but when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. You freeze. You translate in your head. You forget words you knew 5 minutes ago. This lesson is for you. At Slow English Lab, we believe in slow listening, shadowing, and daily speaking practice. These techniques help you build confidence, fluency, and natural pronunciation, even if you're a beginner, A1 to A2. Before we start, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a powerful English tip that actually works. Let's fix your English struggles together. Tip 1. Start with just 10 seconds a day. Most learners think they must study English for 1 to 2 hours every day. That's unrealistic and overwhelming. The truth is, small daily actions are much more powerful. Start your shadowing routine with just 10 seconds a day. Choose one simple sentence like, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Step 1. Listen to it 3 times slowly. Step 2. Pause and repeat out loud. Step 3. Try to match the rhythm and tone. Do this just 3 to 5 times. That's enough for one day. Why does this work? Because short practice builds muscle memory in your mouth and brain. Speaking starts to feel automatic. You don't have to think, you just speak. Here's a simple exercise. Every morning, pick a new phrase. Say it while brushing your teeth or walking to the kitchen. The key is, keep it short, fun, and consistent. Over time, 10 seconds becomes a habit, and habits lead to fluency. Tip 2. Use your ears before your eyes. Many English learners depend too much on subtitles. They read before they listen. But if you want to understand and speak naturally, your ears must become the boss, not your eyes. Here's the right method. First, listen to a short clip, 5 to 10 seconds without subtitles. Try to catch the tone, the emotion, 1 or 2 key words. Don't worry if you don't understand 100%. That's okay. This is how babies learn. Only after listening should you check the transcript or subtitle to confirm. Example, you hear, gotta go now. Maybe you only catch go or now. That's great. Then read the text and go back to listen again. Training your ears first builds real-world comprehension. You stop relying on written words, and most importantly, you stop translating in your head. Try this daily. Choose a short video. Listen first. Write what you hear, then check. Your ears will thank you later. Tip 3. Copy the music, not just the words. Speaking English is not only about vocabulary, it's also about music. That means stress intonation, connected speech. Here's what many learners miss. You can say all the right words and still sound unnatural. Example, what do you want to do? What do you wanna do? Listen closely. Native speakers connect words and use a melody. You must copy that melody when you shadow. Think of yourself as a voice actor. You're not just saying words, you're performing. Practice this. Are you coming? Are you coming? Let me see. Let me see. Listen. Copy the rhythm. Add emotion. Happy, curious, serious. Here's a simple exercise. Shadow one sentence 10 times, each with a different emotion. Make it a game. This will train your ear, tongue, and brain all at the same time. Tip 4. Record yourself every day. Want fast results? Record your voice every day. It sounds scary, but it's magic. Take your phone, open the voice recorder app. Pick one sentence. Example, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Listen to a native version first. Then record yourself saying it. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Now listen to your version, compare it to the original. Ask yourself, do I sound natural? Is my speed similar? Am I connecting the words? Does it sound confident? Don't try to be perfect. Perfection is boring. Focus on progress. Here's a challenge. Do this for 30 days. Keep your recordings in a folder. After 1 month, go back to day 1. You'll be shocked at how far you've come. This is your personal feedback loop. You become your own coach. Record, listen, improve, repeat. Tip 5. Shadow in chunks. Not word-by-word textbooks teach you to memorize sentences word by word. That's slow, boring, and unnatural. Native speakers use chunks, short common word groups that flow together. Example chunks. Let's grab lunch. I'll get back to you. I'm not sure. These are not let plus us grab lunch. They're one unit. Let's grab lunch. Here's the trick. Shadow the full chunk, not individual words. Repeat the chunk until it feels automatic in your mouth. Try this. Step 1. Listen to the chunk 3 times. Step 2. Repeat 10 times in a row. Step 3. Use it in your own sentence. Example. Let's grab lunch tomorrow. Let's grab lunch after class. Chunk practice, faster, more natural speech. Cut the grammar. Keep the chunks. Tip 6. Use the mirror technique. Fluency is not only about sound, it's also about expression. When you speak English, your face should move like a native's. Here's a fun way to train that, the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Listen to one English phrase. Repeat it while watching your mouth and face. Example, great to see you. Are you smiling? Do you look friendly? Confident? Try saying the same phrase with different emotions. Friendly, great to see you. Surprised, great to see you. Bored, great to see you. This builds your emotional expression, and it helps your speech sound real. Bonus, speaking in front of a mirror builds confidence. You get used to hearing and seeing yourself speak. Practice 2-3 phrases a day. Look yourself in the eye. Say it like you mean it. Tip 7. Shadow while moving. Do you sit still while studying English? Try moving instead. When you move your body, your brain learns better. It's called kinesthetic learning. Use this trick. Shadow while walking, cleaning, stretching, or doing chores. Examples. While walking, I'm going to the store. While brushing teeth, I'm getting ready for bed. While cooking, I need to boil the rice. Play a short audio. Shadow the sentence aloud as you move. Why does this work? It connects English to real actions. It helps you remember faster. It makes practice fun and natural. You're not just learning, you're living English. Tip. Create a shadowing walk each morning. 5 minutes of walking and repeating English phrases. Tip 8. Choose phrases you actually use. Do you really need to shadow the book is on the table? Probably not. Many learners waste time on strange textbook examples they'll never say in real life. Instead, focus on phrases you use every day in your own language. Then learn how to say them in English, and shadow those. Examples: I'm hungry. What time is it? I'll call you later. These are real sentences for real conversations. Here's how. Step 1. Write down 5 things you say often in your language. Step 2. Translate them to English or ask ChatGPT. Step 3. Shadow them daily. These phrases become your go-to vocabulary. You don't have to think, you just speak. Learn what matters, speak what you live. Tip 9. Repeat until it feels boring. Then repeat again. Shadowing works through repetition, but most learners stop too early. If you repeat a sentence 3 times, it stays in short-term memory. If you repeat it 30 times, it becomes automatic. Example: could you say that again, please? Say it 10 times. Then 10 more. Then say it with emotion, then whisper it, then say it fast. When it starts to feel boring, that's when you're doing it right. That means your mouth and brain are syncing. Fluency is being born. Repetition is not punishment. It's training. Think of athletes. They don't shoot the ball once, they shoot it 1,000 times. Your English is the same, so repeat, then repeat again. Tip 10. Finish every practice with one free talk. Shadowing gives you the tools, but free talking makes you fluent. After every shadowing session, take 1 to 2 minutes to speak freely in English. No script, no dictionary, no pressure. Just say what you did today, what you plan to do, how you're feeling, what you learned. Speak like you're talking to a friend. At first it's hard. You may pause or say a lot. That's okay. Your brain is processing real English and turning it into speech. Try this. Today I practiced shadowing. I repeated "how's it going" 10 times. I feel good. This simple habit turns input into output. Shadow first. Free talk next. That's the routine of fluent speakers. Conclusion. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long study hours. You just need a better method. Slow listening, natural shadowing, daily repetition, real-life phrases. That's what we teach here at Slow English Lab. Subscribe now and join our family of English learners who practice slow, smart, daily English. Remember, struggle means you're learning. Let shadowing guide your way to fluency, one chunk, one sentence, one day at a time.